I'll get a burp.
When you coming back, Sarah?
Monday.
When you got a lot of friends, it's like you're always going to somebody's party. It's kind of like we started the kids, Sandra had 6, we had 4, Elaine had 3, everybody had, it's like when you went to all the parties, you could buy your kid something nice and not have parties, you spend so much on everybody else's kids.
But they get so much stuff.
Is he done eating good? Or blinding him, probably. That's like blinding me.
Yeah, it's really bright.
Burns a little red, but
He's still hungry. Okay, go ahead.
hey, finish feeding him. You want me to do it?
I'm trying to get him to burp. Aaron, he hasn't burped in a while.